In this video, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of the internet and explore how it has revolutionized the way we live, work, and play. Let's start with the basics. What is the internet? Well, it's not a physical thing that you can touch or see. Rather, it's a network of computers that are all connected to each other, allowing us to share information and communicate with people all over the world. To help you visualize this, think of the internet as a giant spider web. Each strand represents a computer or server, and they're all interconnected. When you type in a website address or search for something on Google, your request travels along the web until it reaches the computer that hosts the website or information you're looking for. The internet wasn't always the way we know it today. In fact, it started as a military project in the 1960s called ARPANET. Its purpose was to create a decentralized communication network that could withstand a nuclear attack. But it wasn't until the 1990s that the internet really took off. This was thanks to the invention of the World Wide Web by Tim Berners-Lee, which made it much easier to access and share information online. Suddenly, anyone with a computer and a connection could become part of the online community. So, what has the internet done for us lately? Well, where do we start? The internet has transformed the way we communicate, learn, work, and even shop. Think about it. Before the internet, if you wanted to buy something, you had to physically go to a store. Now, you can shop from the comfort of your own home, and have almost anything delivered to your doorstep within a matter of days. And when it comes to work, the internet has made it possible for people to work from anywhere in the world, as long as they have an internet connection. This has opened up a whole new world of opportunities for people who live in remote areas or who have disabilities that make traditional jobs difficult. But perhaps the most significant impact of the internet has been on our ability to connect with each other. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram have made it possible for us to stay in touch with friends and family no matter where they are in the world. And let's not forget about the countless cat videos, memes, and other funny content that has brought us all a little bit of joy during these difficult times. So, what's next for the internet? Well, the possibilities are endless. We're already seeing the rise of new technologies like virtual reality and artificial intelligence that are poised to revolutionize the way we interact with each other and with the world around us. And who knows what else is on the horizon? Maybe someday we'll all have chips implanted in our brains that allow us to access the internet without ever having to type or swipe. Or maybe we'll have drones that can deliver packages to our doorsteps in a matter of minutes. The internet has come a long way since its humble beginnings as a military project. Today, it's a vital part of our lives, connecting us to each other and to the world in ways that were once unimaginable. And who knows what the future holds? One thing's for sure, we're in for an exciting ride. Thanks for tuning in, and happy surfing.